But as far as the pictures that are coming in of these protests in Badlapur, and it is only escalating further, the protesters there, rail roko that has now taken place, affecting when it comes to the trains and of course when it comes to the passengers. But here the issue is bigger. We are looking at the protest that has been taking place on part of many of them parents, because this is a case where allegedly two minors, 4-year-old girls, who were allegedly sexually assaulted, and that too in a school. We have Shweta who's joining us right now. Shweta, pictures that are coming in as dramatic, and of course when it comes to the concerns that have been raised by the people and the protesters there, many of them parents, are valid.
Well, that's absolutely correct. In fact, as we understand, it's a massive protest that is going on. Uday is panning his camera, trying to establish the visuals. What we are saying is that how massive it is. It's been people large in numbers, and primarily the parents have gathered here since morning 7 a.m. The parents have come, and not just related to the particular school, but here all the people, all the residents of Badlapur can be seen here. As far as my camera lens can go, I can only show you the parents, the people around here, and they have been demanding for one particular thing. They have been sitting on railway tracks. They have been asking for justice. We'll just quickly speak to them. Sir, आप कब से यहाँ पर हैं?
मुझे करीबन आधा घंटा हो गया।
सर, आप आधे घंटे से यहाँ पर हैं। आपकी क्या कुछ डिमांड है सर?
मैं प्रधानमंत्री जी से एक रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ। ये पहली बार नहीं है, ये हमारे महिलाओं पे बार बार हो रहा है। ये अत्याचार होना जा रहा है, तो इसके लिए
अत्याचार नहीं होना चाहिए। सर, आपकी क्या डिमांड है?
मैं सुबह 9 बजे से यहाँ पे बैठा हूँ। मेरी डिमांड है फांसी। मेरे को भी बाल बच्चे हैं। आज मैं स्कूल को छोड़ने गया था, गेट के बाहर छोड़ने की मेरी तमन्ना नहीं हुई कि अंदर जाके छोड़ के आया हूँ। मेरे को
आपको सर डर है सेफ्टी का? हाँ,
सेफ्टी तो होना ही पड़ेगा कि आज ना ये बहुत बार हुआ है, ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ है। मैं सुबह आज यहाँ से 9 बजे आके बैठा हूँ। हाँ, न पीने को खाना, न पानी, न डब्बा अंदर पड़ा है। मुझे कि फांसी चाहिए तो चाहिए, फांसी चाहिए।
मैडम
सर, यहाँ पे पुलिस क्या आश्वासन दे रही है?
पुलिस बोलते दंगा हौल करो, हम आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे
आपको यहाँ। वेल, as we speak to people are sitting on railway track. We also have few people around here. These people were also here since morning 6 a.m. and they are also protesting. We see so many people, so many brothers have come. They all have tied Rakhi and to protect people. सर, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे क्या कुछ मुख्य आपकी डिमांड है?
हम लोग को बस एक ही डिमांड है, वी वांट जस्टिस। जो बच्ची के साथ में हुआ है वो किसी और के साथ में ना हो, और जो आरोपी है उसे फांसी दी जाए।
जी सर, आप मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है आप ऑफिस गोइंग लोग भी हैं, आप सब अपना ऑफिस छोड़कर यहाँ पर आए हैं।
हम ऑफिस छोड़ के यहाँ पे इसलिए आए कि जिसने ये किया है उसको यहाँ पे लेके आओ, उसको जनता के सामने उसको फांसी दो। अगर 12 घंटा लगते हैं आपको एफआईआर करने के लिए एक बच्ची के लिए, अगर वही बच्ची सेफ नहीं है तो बाकी लोगों का क्या हाल है?
लोगों का क्या? बहुत ही मुख्य पॉइंट आपने बोला है। एज वी मूव अहेड वी सी दैट मेनी पीपल आर स्टिल they are staging protest, and again what we understand is that it's been already more than 4 hours and the protest is still ongoing and the police is trying to control the crowd. Back to you.
Well, the pictures that are coming in as far as the protests are concerned, because people, they're concerned, saying that even if schools are not safe, then where would they send their children off to? And valid questions that have been raised on part of, as far as also seeking justice from the government, Maharashtra government, Chief Minister giving the assurance that strictest possible action will be taken and the case will be fast-tracked. We'll continue to get you more ground updates, live updates that are now coming in of these massive protests that is rocked when it comes to the railway station there in Badlapur.